Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. The thing that displeases me most about this 13-year-old BMW 5 Series is its original car screen. It has no CarPlay, the screen size is too small, and when I use it every day, I always feel that I can't keep up with the current era. I have researched many upgrade options, although installing CarPlay boxers is also an option, but I prefer a more complete and stable experience. So today we will upgrade this BMW F10 to a set of Android large screens for special cars. The most important thing is that it can preserve the iDrive system, steering wheel buttons, and reversing the images of the original car. No need to break the line, no programming required. Let's get started before starting the installation. Let's take a look at the original car system first. Although the original MBT system installed on this BMW F10 is functioning normally, but the screen already looks a little old, and there is no CarPlay function. Our goal is to improve the sense of technology at the same time, retain all the functions of the original car as much as possible. First, we remove the middle trim with a skid plate. Press left and right at a time. Remove the wire harness of the stop button, double flash button, and trend assembly. After that, we remove the two screws at the bottom of the central control of the original car. Remove the central control of the original car. Press and hold the LVDS line pallet. Just unplug it. Remove the two screws from the air conditioner panel of the original car. Remove the original car air conditioner panel. Here we can see the main engine of the original car. Remove the screws on both sides of the original car main engine. Unplug the original car hose. Remove the original car power cord. Remember, it's the main frame that controls the car. Our Android big screen just works with the system of the original car. Therefore, all the functions of the original car are still preserved. Turn the green light on the original car power cord. Threads are pulled out. Plug in the power adapter cable of our 10.5-inch navigation screen build. Connect with the original car power cord. Connect the green optical fiber cable of the original car at the same position at the other end of the adapter cable. Then plug our power adapter cable into the original car hose. Fix the wires and put them back on the center console. Then put the original car main engine back in place. Take out our USB cable. Enter the center console from the storage box and leave until. Use a skid plate to pry off the trim on the outside of the passenger. Remove the GPS antenna and the 4G antenna. Interface from the outside of the co-pilot into the center console. Leave until the other end is attached to a column for installation. So we're going to take out the 10.5-inch nav screen, connect the special wiring harness for the special car. No additional line breaking or line changing is required. Just plug all the plugs directly into each other. After connecting the wire, place the wire into the center console. Snap the new navigation screen into the center console. Now we have installed the Android large screen. Before putting back all the plugs, we must power on to test all functions. Confirm that our navigation screen can light up normally. Wire CarPlay connection is normal. The sound is normal. The iDrive knob works fine. The steering wheel buttons are normal. Advanced testing can avoid repeated disassembly and assembly functions later. After the test is completed, we screw it back in. Install the trim cables back. Now all the installations of this BMW 5 Series F10 have been completed. Let's take a look at the final effect. Wuxi CarPlay running normally. The music was playing fine. The original car menu can still be used. The steering wheel buttons are normal. The eagle knob control is the same as the original car because the original car system is retained. Therefore, the overall experience is very natural.
The biggest worry for many BMW 5 Series F1 owners is that they will lose the functions of the original car after the upgrade. But as long as you choose the right product and install it the correct way, everything works just like the original car. If you have any questions about the BMW F system upgrade for the 2013 to 2015 models, welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.